Looking like a cigarette. Oh,
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, click the subscribe button below, tap on the bell so you don't miss out each time I post a new video. So today's video is a DIY updo with the drawstring ponytail I made in the last video, so keep watching. So this is going to be a simple hairstyle. I just want to make use of the ponytail drawstring I made. There's nothing so difficult about it. I'll be using this gel and this gel. I bought this gel from a store here in Qatar. It doesn't hold strong, but I just want to make use of my money, so I'll be using it. And then this got to be gel. I just have it around the house and I want to make use of it. And your normal thing, your comb, your brush, your elastic band. This is the ponytail I made in my previous video. I did this myself. If you want to learn how to make a drawstring ponytail yourself, I think you should go and watch that video. So I'll be using it for this updo. I want a side part, so I'll just add a side part. See me looking to the left or to the right? That's where my mirror is. So I'll be using this to wet the hair. It's no longer gel. It's gel, but it doesn't hold strong. So I'll just use it as my base. Something I like about it has this nice scent, nice perfume. That's just what I like about it. Abukwama, to hold strong, no. Does not hold, doesn't have a strong holding capacity. Does not have it. So I just apply the gel over my hair. Just that it's maybe because it's wet, it makes the hair feel soft, and I don't know how to really explain it, but I like the wet feel it gives to the hair. I like how wet it makes the hair feel. I'll be using this. This one is a black gel. Thank you so much for watching. If you've learned anything from any of my videos, please do subscribe to get more updates on my videos and click the bell notification icon so you get notified each time I post a new video. Bye guys, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.